You're watching Fox 10 News at 9 with John Hook and Carrie Lake.
Tonight, only on Fox, romance. They love you, then they leave you, and what have you got to show for it?
Well, some people actually have the name of their ex tattooed into their skin. Unfortunately, the tattoo lasts longer than the relationship does, and getting rid of it used to mean blisters, bandages, and painful, expensive laser treatment. But as Sabre Gertz tells us, there's new technology to get the job done.
You should get a tattoo.
Body art.
It feels good.
And what's in a name?
Names are our bread and butter.
Today,
It's an iron cross with my boyfriend's name in it.
what happens tomorrow when Sean is gone?
At least 10 times a week we got people covering names up.
The tattoo cover-up can work. Just fill in the blanks with ink and Sean will be gone. But sometimes even a clean cover-up won't cut it. Consider the case of Kelly.
She was a very old flame.
Ben has got 5 tattoos and war stories to boot.
4 times I've been shot, 2 stabbings and 1 pitchfork, which I'm kind of embarrassed about, but he had a pitchfork.
That's small potatoes compared to the wrath of the woman he loves. Which brings us back to Kelly.
Time for it to go.
Time for it to go because the woman I truly love wants it gone or she will be gone. So,
Bleeding, oozing, every 6 weeks, this is what Ben can bank on. $150 a treatment until the laser can wipe out his old lady friend.
and then you had to wait a good week or 2 after this scabbed up and to stop bleeding.
Maintenance and
And
pain,
because he's bleeding now, I got to put a bandage over it.
seriously cramping Ben's style.
I couldn't go to the steam room because it was very painful. I couldn't sit in the spot because as soon as it dried up, it was even twice as painful.
But now, he is walking to the cutting edge of tattoo removal technology.
Well, the number one advantage of this laser is that when you go out of here, you just put ice on it, and that's all you have to do to take care of the wound.
It's called MedLite C6. It looks and sounds less painful. You can see there's no ooze.
The first 2 days was like a little itch. That was about it. But then you could see a big difference real fast.
These are all raised keloid scars.
Dr. Richard Bergmeyer at Perfect Skin in Tempe has seen tattoo removal horror stories, even tried to correct a few.
Obviously, you don't want to have this kind of result anytime you do a tattoo.
A laser not designed for tattoo removal was used here, and damage was done. Researching a doctor and a laser you trust is the key.
The advantage of the MedLite 6 or the laser I have been using is the MedLite 6 causes less bleeding. It's a little more powerful. You can do a larger area, a larger tattoo more quickly.
This new technology has a flatter laser beam. It allows an entire area to be treated evenly, unlike the old gold standard, which has high and low energy peaks, causing pain and bleeding.
I can't wait to get the next treatment because I'm hoping that he'll boost it up a little bit and it'll be gone a lot faster.
If you're gonna get a tattoo, then you gotta be for sure.
But just in case, for sure, today is forgotten tomorrow. Sabre Gertz, Fox 10 News.
That new laser technology costs about $150 a treatment. The number of treatments you'll need depends on the size of that tattoo. Keep that in mind, John.
I will keep that in mind, Carrie. Thank you. Coming up tomorrow night at 9, only on Fox.